Welcome viewers. Hope you are having a good time. Our today's project is a comprehensive tutorial in which we will teach you how to create a beautiful crochet flower garland that is both stylish and meaningful, perfect for weddings, festivals or any special event. A handmade gajra is a wonderful addition to your wardrobe. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter, this video will provide a valuable insights to elevate your crafting skill. Viewers, please watch the video from start to end so you can learn it in better way. Okay, let's start. We will start it from the inner cord. For the length of inner cord, firstly make a slip knot, then make 100 chains. I am using 3mm crochet hook and 3-ply crocheting yarn. You can choose the color combination according to your own choice. After making the length of inner cord, then we will start to making rose flower. For rose flower, firstly make a slip knot, then make 50 chain stitches. After making 50 chains, then skip 4 stitches and attach at 5th stitch with double crochet. Then make 2 chains and attach at same 5th stitch with double crochet. After making 1 double crochet, 2 chains and 1 double crochet at same stitch, here we have V shape. Now skip 2 stitches and attach at 3rd stitch with double crochet. We call this second triangle A shape. Then make 2 chains and attach at same stitch with double crochet. We call this V shape. Then we will make again A shape and repeat this V and A shape and complete this row. After completing row, at the end of the row, now we have 3 stitches. Skip 2 stitches and make 1 double crochet at last stitch and make 1 chain. Then turn to back side and make 1 single crochet at first gap. Then make 5 half double crochet at second V-shaped gap. After making 5 half double crochet, now we'll make 1 slip stitch at this A-shaped gap. Then we will again make 5 half double crochet at this V-shaped gap. We will repeat this pattern throughout this row. 5 half double crochet at V-shaped gap and 1 slip stitch at A-shaped gap. Here we have completed the petals of flower. Now we will start to fold them. We will start to fold from one end and fold it to another end. Don't be folded tightly. After folding all petals, now we will start to sewing to join all petals together. I am using sewing needle to attach all petals. You can use fabric glue to attach them. Now we will start to making jasmine flowers. For jasmine flowers, firstly we will make a slip knot, then make 81 chains. After making 81 chains, now skip 2 stitches and make 3 double crochet at third stitch. This is our first double crochet. This one is second double crochet. And this is our third double crochet at the same stitch. We have 3 double crochet at the same stitch. After making 3 double crochet, now we will make 2 chain and attach at the same stitch with slip stitch. This is our first petal of jasmine flower. Now step to next chain with slip stitch. So at this second chain, firstly make 2 chains, then make 3 double crochet at the same stitch and then make 2 chains and attach at the same stitch. We will make one petal at each chain stitch. So here we have completed our petals. This is our last petal at last chain. We will follow the same pattern, 2 chains, 3 double crochet and 2 chains and attach with slip stitch. After completing last petal, then cut off extra thread and secure the thread inside the chains. Now we will arrange the petals. We will arrange the petals according to the 3 petal flower. We will arrange the 3 petals on top of each other. So here we have arranged the petals according to 3 petals pattern. Now we will pass this card with the help of sewing needle at the middle hole of each set of 3 petals. So after passing the cord at the middle holes of petals, here we have a garland of yellow flowers. So take the middle of this garland and attach the red rose with the help of sewing needle. After attaching the red rose, now we will attach the beads at the both edges of cord. I have used yellow color beads. You can use white, yellow or any color else. After attaching beads, our beautiful garland or traditionally called gajras has been ready. Viewers, hope you like my project. If you like my project, please then like, subscribe and share to your friends and family. And don't forget to give your feedback in comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.